The Buddha once said that silence is preferable to meaningless words. In today's world, we often feel the urge to share everything, our thoughts, emotions, successes, and struggles. However, wisdom reminds us that not everything is meant to be spoken. Certain things, when shared carelessly, can lead to unnecessary suffering, while others are best kept in quiet protection. Today, we will discuss 10 things that, according to Buddhist wisdom, are best kept private. May this insight bring you clarity and inner peace. Number 1. Your inner peace. True peace is not found in the outside world, but cultivated within. Yet have you ever noticed how fragile it can be? A single disagreement, an unkind remark, or even the opinions of others can shake your inner world. Buddhism teaches that true peace arises from detachment from unnecessary conflict, from external expectations, and from the emotions that others attempt to impose upon us. When we frequently share our innermost thoughts and emotions with others, we allow their reactions to influence our state of mind. We may seek validation, yet instead receive doubt, criticism, or even envy. Rather than exposing your inner world to the ever-changing opinions of others, guard it like a sacred temple. Share your kindness, wisdom, and presence, but do not allow anyone to disturb the serenity you have worked so hard to cultivate. Number 2, your negative thoughts. The Buddha once said that no external enemy can harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. The mind is like a garden. When nourished with positivity, it flourishes, but when filled with negativity, it withers. It is easy to complain, criticize, or dwell on life's difficulties, yet each time we give voice to negative thoughts, we not only burden ourselves, but also those around us. Words hold immense power. They can heal, but they can also harm, and once spoken, they cannot be taken back. This is why the Buddha emphasized right speech. Only speak what is true, necessary, and kind. Before sharing a thought, pause and ask yourself, does this bring peace or does it create suffering? If it does not uplift, it may be better left unspoken. The words you choose shape both your reality and the world around you. Number 3, your personal vulnerabilities. When we struggle, it is natural to seek support from others. However, not everyone who listens truly understands, and not everyone who smiles has good intentions. In our desire for connection, we sometimes reveal too much, our weaknesses, fears, and past mistakes, without considering that not all ears are kind and not all hearts are pure. Buddhism teaches the value of self-awareness. While sharing vulnerabilities can lead to healing, revealing them to the wrong people can bring pain. Some may judge, others may use your words against you, and some may not even care. True wisdom lies in discerning who is worthy of your trust. Before opening your heart, ask yourself, is this person capable of understanding my struggles with compassion, or am I exposing myself to unnecessary harm? Choose wisely and entrust your deepest wounds only to those who will handle them with care. Number 4, your future plans. The Buddha taught that attachment to the future brings suffering. When we frequently speak about our goals, we create expectations, not only for ourselves, but also in the minds of others. And with rising expectations comes the pressure to succeed. Many share their dreams hoping to receive encouragement, but premature words can invite doubt and even envy. The more we talk, the more we expose ourselves to outside opinions, distractions, and negative energy that may weaken our confidence. Instead, let your actions speak for you. Move in silence, stay focused on your work, and allow success to unfold naturally. The most powerful achievements are those that surprise the world, not those that are declared before they happen. Number 5, your acts of kindness. In a world where recognition is often sought, genuine kindness is rare. Many perform good deeds, but only for praise or validation. However, the Buddha once said that a good deed brings joy to the heart, whether seen or unseen. When we act kindly, we should do so out of love and compassion, not for approval. If you give, do so without expectation. If you help, do so without seeking credit. The true reward of kindness is the joy it brings within, not the applause it earns from others. Buddhism teaches that the purest generosity is selfless. So the next time you perform an act of kindness, let it be a silent offering to the universe. For the greatest blessings require no recognition. Silence is not emptiness, it is wisdom. In a world where everyone speaks, few truly listen. Guard your peace, choose your words carefully, and share only what nurtures growth. If this wisdom resonates with you, help us spread more enlightenment by subscribing to our channel. May your journey be filled with peace, mindfulness, and wisdom. Until next time, stay mindful and stay kind. Number 6. Your financial status. Money is a sensitive topic, and discussing your financial situation openly can invite unnecessary problems. Whether you are wealthy or struggling, sharing too much can lead to jealousy, judgment, or unwanted expectations from others. Instead, practice humility and discretion. True abundance comes not from how much you have, but from your ability to live contentedly. Number 7. Your family conflicts. Every family has its challenges, but speaking about personal family issues with outsiders can create more harm than good. Sharing conflicts can lead to misunderstandings, gossip, and unnecessary drama. Instead, seek wisdom in handling these matters privately and with compassion, focusing on resolution rather than seeking external validation. Number 8. Your spiritual practices. Your journey toward enlightenment is deeply personal. While sharing insights can inspire others, constantly discussing your spiritual progress may lead to ego-driven attachment. True wisdom lies in embodying your practice rather than proclaiming it. Let your actions reflect your growth rather than your words. Number 9. Your good deeds. Performing good deeds is most powerful when done without seeking recognition. As the Buddha taught, selfless acts of kindness carry the greatest blessings. When you help others, do so without broadcasting it. The real value of generosity lies in the joy it brings, not in the approval of others. Number 10. Your fears and weaknesses. Fear is natural, but when shared carelessly, it can be used against you. Not everyone will support you through your struggles, and some may exploit your weaknesses. Instead of voicing your fears to everyone, cultivate inner strength and seek guidance from those you deeply trust. Silence is not emptiness, it is wisdom. In a world where everyone speaks, few truly listen. Guard your peace, choose your words carefully, and share only what nurtures growth. If this wisdom resonates with you, help us spread more enlightenment by subscribing to our channel. May your journey be filled with peace, mindfulness, and wisdom. Until next time, stay mindful and stay kind. Silence is not emptiness, it is wisdom. In a world where everyone speaks, few truly listen. Guard your peace, choose your words carefully, and share only what nurtures growth. If this wisdom resonates with you, help us spread more enlightenment by subscribing to our channel. May your journey be filled with peace, mindfulness, and wisdom. Until next time, stay mindful and stay kind.